Awning windows. Glendale, Arizona is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their properties. Glendale Window Services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient awnings and custom awning designs, tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Whether you are considering window replacement in Glendale, Arizona, or need awning window replacement, the local experts are equipped to handle all your window-related needs. Glendale window experts are renowned for their proficiency in both residential awning windows and commercial window solutions. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, these Glendale window specialists provide comprehensive services, from window frame upgrades to window glass replacement. Their expertise ensures that every installation and replacement is performed to the highest standards, making them the go-to Glendale window contractors for all your window needs. Energy-efficient awnings in Glendale are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve the comfort of their homes. These awnings not only provide shade and protection from the elements, but also contribute to better window insulation in Glendale. By choosing energy-efficient awnings, Glendale residents can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective living environment. Custom awning windows. Glendale Designs offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window solutions. With a variety of awning window styles available, Glendale residents can select designs that complement their home's architecture and aesthetic. Whether you prefer traditional or contemporary styles, Custom Awning Designs Glendale AZ can be tailored to suit your preferences. Window replacement in Glendale, Arizona is a service that many homeowners seek to improve the functionality and appearance of their homes. Glendale Window Contractors AZ specialize in providing high-quality window replacement services, ensuring that each installation is seamless and durable. With a focus on customer satisfaction, these professionals offer a range of window options to meet the diverse needs of Glendale residents. Awning window replacement in Glendale AZ is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance. Glendale can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Glendale Window Professionals AZ are skilled in identifying and addressing common window issues, ensuring that your windows remain in optimal condition. Residential awning windows. Glendale are a popular choice for homeowners seeking to improve ventilation and natural light in their homes. These windows are designed to open outward, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping rain out. Glendale Home Windows Services offer a variety of residential awning window styles to suit any home design. Commercial window solutions in Glendale, Arizona cater to businesses looking to improve their building's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. From large storefront windows to smaller office installations, Glendale window experts can provide customized solutions to meet the unique needs of commercial properties.